Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, it's been a little while since I did a thrift flip for you. So I end up doing 4 different thrift flips. You already know how I love to take ordinary pieces and make them into something unique and special. So I decided to revamp a bag, sandals, a skirt, and also a home decor piece. I added little touches and I felt made a huge difference when it came to giving a little extra and catifying it a little bit. And so I did a handbag that I found at the thrift store. I also did some flip-flops that I end up getting also at the thrift store. And then I also did a skirt. I ended up finding these, I want to say doily placemats. And I used some old doilies that I also had extra and decided to create a layering look. I want to say I did a skirt, but it's more of a something you put over a white blouse to create a, I want to say, skirt belt. So I didn't do a lining, but I did want to add a little layering. Even if summertime is around the corner, I thought it was going to be a fun way to add a little texture dimension to your outfit. As for the home decor, if you've been following me for a while, you had seen that I had gotten this beautiful oversized statue. There was the colors that were on there that I felt were cheapening the look of it, and it wasn't something that would fit right in my home and the aesthetic. So I just wanted to do little tweaks, but I felt made a huge difference. So I painted it and added a new life to it and created a little bit more, bringing back that dimension. I'm so happy of how it turned out. So those are my 4 thrift flips. Before we get into this video, I wanted to say a big thank you for all of your beautiful comments, being so supportive on the AI thing and understanding where I was coming from when I was trying to do the video. And I want to point that out and say thank you so much for allowing me to express myself, allowing me to be creative and go on this whole journey with me and being so supportive. So I just want to say a big thank you to each and every one of you. It really does mean the world to me. It allows me to want to come up with different ideas and give you more. So thank you for being so supportive on my creative process. So anyway, with that being said, let's jump right into this video. Enjoy. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite thrift flip. For my next video, I'm thinking maybe I might go home decor shopping. I might go to Winners, Marshalls, HomeSense. In the States, it's the same thing as Home Goods. So I might take you along with me there. Maybe I'm going to go thrift shopping. I'm not sure yet. Also, comment down below. I was thinking of maybe it's been a while since I did my makeup video, my everyday makeup. I am not big on the eyeshadows and stuff like that, but I did want to maybe share with you my favorites right now as far as my makeup that I've been doing and I've been loving. So comment down below. Let me know if that's even something you would be interested in seeing as well, since it's been a little while. Usually I do it every spring. I show you my new makeup routine, and that's it. So anyway, outfit. This is, I believe it's a Brixton hat. This whole jumpsuit is like a short jumpsuit. It's the cutest thing. It is a Free People. I got this, I would say 2 years ago. Super cute, comfortable belt. I made this belt. I made it. I will leave the link down below if you're interested. I made a belt out of the same mat that I used for the underskirt of the skirt that I made. And I also made a vest that goes with it and a whole bunch of crochet pieces. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link down below for you. So that is the belt, all of the necklaces, pretty much Koakaya. This one I got when I went to south of France, and it is a beautiful memory. I wanted something to take with me and have something, a piece that I love. So I ended up getting this, and I got a beautiful purse as well. At some point I'll show it to you. Those are my two pieces when I went traveling there that I'm so happy that when I take it out, it reminds me of when we went there. I take it out every year when it comes to summertime. I think it adds a little bit of a boho, beachy vibe, and I love it so much. So anyway, that is it. Pretty much everything else is Koakaya, a mix of all kinds of things, and that is it. That is the whole outfit. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up, your support, your amazingness. I love you so much. I will see you next time. Have the best week ever. Mwah. Bye guys.